Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case your Bemis soft close toilet seat is slamming shut and you're wondering if there's anything you can do to fix it. Now this is going to happen over time as the kind of the friction of the mechanism sort of wears out. Your seat will start to slam shut instead of closing softly, and we can actually get it back to where it was by adding grease to the hinge. So what you're going to want to do is remove the toilet seat, and then you can see here the hinge. I've disconnected the hinge here, and if you see this piece in here, you'll be able to pull that piece out. And if you pull that piece out on both sides, then you can open it up, and any kind of real thick viscous grease that will just cause slow movement in there, you can just kind of pack it in there, and that will get it back to moving slowly, but still moving. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.